Go forward, Josh. Bring it right through the guys. So what I'm really excited about is this cardboard is all nice. That's the key. If it can't get through cardboard, it's not going to get through somebody's clothing. We shot 1,000 rounds of this thing. We had 12 guys behind it. They're all living. They're all surviving right now. And they're all applying fire to where they need to apply fire. This is the future SWAT shield. It's easy. You drop it out of the back of a pickup truck, you unfold it, and you're good to go. So what's nice here is that it just folds up. It's ready for storage if you want to store it, or if you're want to transport it on a trailer, or if you want to just move a vehicle with it on scene. These fold back like this. Just like that.
Ring Power Tactical Solutions presents the Rook. One of the Rook's standard attachments is the Armored Deployment Platform. This custom-built NIJ Level 4 platform includes self-contained power for adjustable lights, a sloping partial roof cover, floor-to-roof front shield consisting of a center sliding door and batwing doors on the outer edges. The shield provides room for up to 4 fully dressed officers and is equipped with 4 radial gun ports, 4 sight ports, and video cameras attached to the front of the platform with a video feed to the equipment operator and command center. This platform can be customized according to each agency's needs. When the armored deployment platform is mounted on the vehicle, the operator can raise it to 11 feet so that entry can be made on both the first and second floors or on the roof. The platform can also be dropped off close to a situation and used as a fortified position. The platform can be used for a vehicle takedown or can be slanted downward for rescues, crowd control, and barricaded suspects. Additional uses include rescuing hostages or delivering hostage negotiation phones, food, and medicines. With the attached rear platform lowered, additional officers can be carried to the scene.
DDM has been delivering its life-saving McCurdy's Armor Guard post around the world for military and law enforcement operations in the most hostile of regions. They have now taken that superior protection and developed it into a life-saving shield that can be easily deployed in facilities and at checkpoints anywhere protection is needed. McCurdy's Armor Mobile Ballistic Shield is designed with small components for ease of transport. It connects in seconds to make a mobile barrier capable of stopping multiple bullets from rifles, pistols, and shotguns. A majority of law enforcement personnel do not have any protection other than their vest when securing large buildings or responding to active shooter situations. SWAT members or specialized units may be equipped with standard ballistic shields, but these shields do not cover the entire body, and because they are mostly made of composite materials, do not stand up well to multiple hits. DDM's patented design not only covers the entire body, but it can be attached to other McCurdy's Armor Mobile Ballistic Shields to cover larger areas. It also stops multiple hits from high-powered weapons with ease, allowing users to clear areas from a completely protected position. Windows in the Mobile Ballistic Shield can be equipped with different versions of gun ports that allow military and law enforcement personnel to engage from a completely protected location. The Mobile Ballistic Shield offers the best protection and flexibility for active shooter situations in schools, federal buildings, courthouses, airports, medical facilities, hotels during VIP events, and workplace violence situations. It is the best available for evacuation situations, allowing people to move behind a protective wall that can be deployed in seconds.